Hey guys, in this video I will compare Beehiiv versus Klaviyo. So first of all, I want to say this video is not sponsored by any of the email marketing softwares. I wish it was, but this is not the case. So the question is, which software is better? Which email marketing software is better? Now I want you to know there is no specific answer to that question. Um, yeah, if you are a content creator, probably Beehive is better. If if you have a big business, probably Klaviyo is better. It just depends on your needs. So in this video, you can see which features and which functions both of the email marketing softwares offer, and you can decide for yourself if that fits your needs. So let's get started. So Beehive is the best for content-focused newsletters and publications. So if you are like a content creator, Beehive is probably better, and it has a all-in-one solution for website, email, data analytics, and growth tools. Now, if you like to blog, if you like to write blog posts, you can also share those blog posts on your website. So you can choose between sending it only through the email, just like a newsletter, or just choose to publicate it on your websites. But what you also can do is you can publicate it on your website and in your email, so they can watch it, read it two times if they want. You also have want Beehive a lot of extended data analytics. So there are a lot of options within Beehive to view data, to watch what a specific subscriber, where he clicks on, where when he clicks on a link, you know which email they open, when they open the email, a lot of tools. Also, Beehive offers a lot of growth tools, which is really nice. And within Beehive, you have the ownership of your audience and custom aesthetic. So if you like to customize your website, um, and your emails to your own needs, just how you like it, your own branding, you can do that easily within Beehive. Also, the ownership of the audience is yours, of course, and which is very unique in the email marketing software niche. Um, is the flat rate pricing model. So basically, what that means is if you have, like, it's usual to have, like, if you have 10,000 subscribers, to pay like let's say $100 per month. Okay, so if you have then if you get an extra 500 subscribers, you need to pay $110 per month. So that's usual. So you pay per subscriber, per extra subscriber. But in but with Beehive, it's very nice that it's flat rate pricing model, which is really really nice. Also, enterprise level solutions made simple and accessible to anyone, to everyone. So it's really nice, very user friendly platform. Now, Klaviyo is good for complex commerce based automation. So if you are really like into the e-commerce, into complex e-commerce with automations, with you can be very creative with that, but it's really complex. But if you want that, Klaviyo is good for that. Also, selling digital courses and products, Klaviyo is a great platform for that because you can track it easily. Deploying custom landing pages and funnels, that's really nice. That function is there within Klaviyo. So yeah, that's really nice. Now let's take a look at a side-by-side comparison. So first of all, a publication website. So if you want to really get your emails or your just your posts on a website, that is possible within Beehive as well as Klaviyo. Premium subscriptions are not possible within Klaviyo, but they are in Beehive. Custom domain names, that one is really important. So it's not like howtotool.beehive.com or howtotool.klaviyo.com. It's like howtotool.com, for example. That's really important. And better will subscribe forms. So if you have like a website, howtotool.com, where you post blog posts, and you write um, yeah, you write and you want to start a newsletter. So what you can do is you can share the link of that newsletter where they can subscribe, but that's not really nice. And you want to make it stand out, so you want to add a subscribe form. So the reader of that blog post can fill in a name and their email, and they will be redirected to your to your email marketing software. For example, in this case, Beehiiv or Klaviyo. User authentication and paywalling. So if you have or if you want your content to be behind a paywall or just parts of your content, that's possible within Beehiiv. I think that's really nice if you are a content creator. RSS feed, if you enter that, that's possible within Beehiiv, not in Klaviyo. RPA access, that's really important. That's also possible within Klaviyo as well as Beehiiv. Promotion and free trials, it's not possible within Klaviyo. So that's really kind of annoying because you need to pay if you want to use Klaviyo. You cannot use it for a free amount or for a free time period. That's really annoying. But you instantly need to pay. But it is possible to get a free trial within Beehiiv. You can even send emails and publicate a lot of blog posts within Beehiiv for free. The integrated referral program within Beehiiv is pretty nice because you can for if a subscriber likes your newsletter and they want to share it, you can do that very easily just by copying the referral link, and they can share it to friends. I don't know. It's very nice. You can give like rewards to persons that are referring you to that to that newsletter if you want to. That's possible within Beehiiv. Also, one-click audience polls. So if you have like the question, which company is better, Apple or Samsung, you can ask that to your audience, and they can react to your email, of course. But that's really like not useful, not efficient. But in Beehiiv, you can add polls, so you can add nicely designed polls where they can vote if they if they find the company Apple or Samsung better. And you of course can see the results very easily. Now let's take a look at the advanced audience segmentation. It's both possible in Beehiiv as well as Klaviyo. Custom fields is not possible with Klaviyo, which I think is pretty weird because if you want to level up your newsletter, custom fields are very important. Advanced analytics, if you want to take a in-depth look into your analytics of the subscribers you have, you can do that in Beehiiv as well as Klaviyo. Custom HTML and emails, it is possible in Beehiiv as well as Klaviyo, which is really nice if you want to get really creative. If you care much about security, about email verification, real-time email verification is possible within Beehiiv, but not in Klaviyo. All right, the predictable flat rate pricing. So, like I said at the beginning, Beehiiv has the option, for predictable flat rate pricing. So, that's just like I said, it's very uncommon in the email marketing niche, but it's really really nice, and I do think that's one thing that's really nice. A really nice option that Beehiiv offers. So now the recommendation network. So basically, you can check out other newsletters that are doing the same thing. Just follow them, etc. The fully customized newsletters. So basically, you can just change everything. So like the font, spacing, lines, basically everything is like a lot. So that's the option that Beehiiv offers, and Klaviyo does not. Of course, you can change some things, but like Beehiiv is just really, they offer a lot of customization options. So now the review. So Beehiiv has made it really easy to start and scale our newsletter without having an email marketing expert on the theme. The platform is perfect. It's a perfect mix of functionality and simplicity. So what it tries to say is just it's very easy to use, has a lot of functions, And yeah, it's very user friendly platform. So you do not need a marketing expert in your team to scale your newsletter, but you can just use the growth tools of Beehiiv. It's really nice. It only took 3 weeks for me to double my list by tapping into Beehive's recommendation network and other growth tools. My newsletter new and improved aesthetic was just a bonus. So, like I said, Beehive offers a recommendation network, um, and they offer a lot of growth tools. So, just like Klaviyo, they do not offer growth tools, but you need to grow just manually, organically. And Beehive offers just growth tools, which is really, really nice. Also, the recommendation option is really nice because, yeah, like he said, he doubled his list in with subscribers within 3 weeks. Before making the move, I followed all of Beehive's product updates super closely. It was apparent the platform was built for writers like me and creator focus. So, like other email marketing softwares, Beehive is really focused on on creator, on the like, making the best platform for creators, like the creator view, um, which is really, really nice. As you can see, these are the functionalities in overview, um, like the options Beehive between Klaviyo. You can pause video, you can take a screenshot if you want. Of course, there are more options, but I think these are the most important options. So now let's go to the conclusion. I think it's quite, I think you guys know, who the winner is, but I will still announce it. The winner of this ultimate battle is Beehive. Yeah, I think it's a fair winner. It's such a great platform, and if you want to get started with Beehive or even Klaviyo, it's still a great platform, but more like for the bigger businesses, you've just more automation functions, etc. Just for e-commerce, just like I talk about in the video. Please check out the link in the description. And I want you guys to thank you for watching this video. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.